Hello everyone, welcome to Babatha Kabacoza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka next week My Brother's Keeper. Kusukela ngoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-10 February 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu mhla ka-14 February 2025. NgoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-10 February 2025, uDonga is caught in the middle of siding with his father or with Nqubeko. Dumiso joined Tsitsi on her run. NgoLwesibili mhla 11 February 2025, uDonga and Fakazile defend Nqubeko, leading to Fakazile and Nqubeko hitting things up again. UNdumiso find out the hard way that impressing Tsitsi is not easy. NgoLwesithathu mhla 12 February 2025, uDoreen squares up to Mshengu demanding nothing but the naked truth. Donga and Kasazile are ship sailing past each other in their marriage and they want different things. Undumiso finally hits the police's eyes and scores a date with the evasive Tsitsi. NgoLwesine mhla 13 February 2025, uDoreen tells Mamchunu she's caused her own children dead. Fakazile suggests Kasazile ties her tube. Dumiso prepares for a date night with Tsitsi. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 14 February 2025, the gulf between Mshengu and Nqubeko winds, but only Doreen can bring them together. Donga find out what Kasazile was planning to do. Something nice is brewing with Dumiso and Tsitsi. Ngiyayibamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe namusho umbono wakho. Bye.